Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today in this video I'm gonna unbox AI Pulse mobile phone. So friends, before we start the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's start the video. So friends, here you can see here is our mobile phone AI Pulse, and let's open this AI Pulse. Here I'm just unboxing it, and here you will find out the mobile phone. This mobile phone it's with cover. You can see it has given the back cover. Here it's transparent, and about the buttons, then this is the volume up and down button. Here is the power button. So while we are looking at the buttons, let's switch on the mobile phone. Its battery is low, so I will charge it. And this is the back of the AI Pulse, and this is camera. There is two camera. This is the Matrix AI camera, 50 megapixel, and this is the f20 camera, auto focus, and this is a flashlight, and this side to insert your SIM card. And on the downside, friends, you can see this is the charge point, and here is the 3.5 mm jack. Here is the mic, and this is the speaker. So let's see. And here is the front camera. So let's keep our mobile phone on the side and check on the box. And here you can see, friends, here is the manual guides. Okay guys, and this is the USB to Type-C cable, and here is the adapter. So now let's check its specification and features, and this is the pin ejector. So let's keep this all on the side and check our mobile phone. It's now just switch on, and it's 1% right now, and we are going to check it out, its specification and features. And here the phone is just starting. And if your phone is new, you don't know how to set up, then you can check it out on my channel, how to set up the mobile phone after buying the new phones. And here is our settings. So friends, if you look the display inch or size of this AI Pulse, then it's 6.75 inch HD plus, and the refresh rate is 90 Hz. And friends, if you look, its processor is a Unisoc T615 and octa-core 1.8 GHz. You can even see here on the about device under the mobile phone its battery, RAM, cameras, display, model. You can see this all. The RAM and storage is 4 GB of RAM plus 64 GB storage, or 6 GB of RAM or plus 120 GB of storage, because there is the two variant. And it's even expandable because you can insert the micro SD card slot, so it's expandable up to 1 TB. And as I have told you that, friend, its camera is 50 megapixel main sensor, and the front camera is the 5 megapixel only. So here I just captured some photos, and the front camera also I can capture some photos. So let's click the front camera. So friends, here as you can see, I have just captured the photos of this is the 5 megapixel of AI Pulse, and let's even check it out, the 50 megapixel, and this is the back camera, and it's 50 megapixel back camera. And if you look at its battery, friends, then battery is 5000 mAh with 10 watt fast charging, and its operating system is NXTQ OS based on Android 15, and its weight is it's 193 gram of weight. And if you want to look at the sound, then you can hear out the sound. I will just play some music or ringtone, you can say. So here's the ringtone, and I can play the ringtone. It's full. This is the sound of AI Pulse. It's not, there is only one speaker, so the sound is little bit low since it has given only the one speaker. And you can even check it out the quality of the videos. You can, and this is the quality of our AI Pulse. You can even zoom if you want to zoom. You can even zoom out, zoom in. If you want to zoom out, zoom in. And you can even check its quality from here. It's 1080p 60. So friends, how do you feel about this AI Pulse mobile phone? If you feel like you want to buy it, then you can buy it. It's so perfect and good under this low price. It's about the only 5,000, and it's really perfect. If you look at its battery, 5000 mAh battery, camera 50 megapixels, and the features, everything is high performance, so you can buy it. It's really perfect. So friends, this is all about the AI Pulse mobile phone. Hope you love the specification and features of this mobile phone, and if you love the video, do not forget to like and subscribe my channel. Friends, thanks for watching. Bye.